Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video we will go over the scale command in LusoCAD, which allows us to easily scale up and down objects retaining their relative dimensions. To activate the command, we type SC in the command line. We will be asked to select an object and base point. When we select them, we will be able to change the size of the object manually with the cursor. But the most precise way to scale it would be to write a scale factor in the command line. Let's try 2, so double the size. We confirm that the 80 by 30 rectangle is now 160 by 60. If we want to make it smaller, we will have to input values below 1, so 0.1 for example. Now the rectangle is 10 times smaller. Now let's picture another situation where the scale command can be useful. In this example, we have an object that's annotated as being 60 by 60, which we can confirm is not its actual size. We can actually see that the square is 15 by 15. Below we have a line showing the actual length of 60 units. We can use the scale command to bring the dimensions to their actual intended size. We use the command, but we activate the reference subcommand by typing R. We will have to specify the length of the face of the object we want to scale and the reference length that will be used. After selecting the second point, we have to type P to select the reference points. And we see that it worked. The object is now 60 by 60. This was all for the scale command. Keep watching for more guides on LusoCAD's various commands and tools.